If old tales of the exploding cooker have kept you from getting into the pressure cooker, it's time to think again. These days, the best pressure cookers are not only versatile and easy to use, they're also packed with safety features and are capable of making great meals faster and easier than ever. Perfect for busy families or for feeding guests without having to spend all night in the kitchen, pressure cookers are ideal for making stews, soups, and hearty cuts of meat, as well as whole chickens, rice, beans, and more. Using pressurized steam to thoroughly cook hundreds of different foods, pressure cookers take up relatively little space on your countertop, are easy to use and clean, and come in all shapes and sizes. We did the heavy lifting and now bring you our top 5 picks for the best pressure cookers in 2024. Here goes. If you want a product that offers excellent value for your money, we highly recommend the Presto stainless steel pressure cooker, the best value pressure cooker in 2024. This smart choice enables you to prepare healthy and affordable meals quickly and easily. It cooks 3 to 10 times faster than traditional methods, even outpacing microwaves for many dishes. Chicken, fish, meat, and vegetables are rapidly cooked to perfection, and it also tenderizes cheaper cuts of meat. The Presto stainless steel pressure cooker is versatile, working on both regular and smooth stovetops. A lid lock indicator shows when there is a pressure inside, preventing the lid from being removed until it's safe. It includes a special rack for cooking multiple foods at once without mixing flavors. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, a feature that users love. Pressure cookers have regained popularity as more people discover their speed and efficiency. They make it easy to cook healthy meals because food retains more nutrients and flavor. The Presto 6-quart stainless steel pressure cooker is multifunctional, doubling as a conventional soup pot while performing the kitchen magic pressure cookers are known for. Imagine cooking chicken cacciatore in just 8 minutes. This professional-grade stainless steel cooker is a valuable addition to any kitchen. Its inner sealing ring keeps steam contained, and it features a pop-up pressure gauge and simple steam release mechanism. There's also an overpressure cap that vents if excessive pressure builds up. Ideal for weeknight dinners or any meal that needs to be prepared quickly, it comes with a booklet containing over 65 recipes, from basic soups to stews and roast, even desserts like 5-minute custard. Good stuff. We would now like to draw your attention to the Kuhn Rikon Duromatic pressure cooker, a top-rated stovetop pressure cooker for 2024. This stainless steel cooker boasts a classic timeless design that's perfect for families of all sizes, singles or couples. A modern kitchen must-have, it features ergonomic side handles for secure handling, especially useful for larger models. The Kuhn Rikon Duromatic stands out with its dual side handles, making it easy to manage and providing a secure grip when the lid is closed. These handles not only resemble those of regular pots, but also enhance cooking speed significantly. The pot and lid are designed with side handles for consistent positioning and an efficient grip during use. This gourmet pressure cooker saves up to 70% of energy and time while preserving the vitamins, minerals, and flavors of your food. It excels in reducing cooking times for items like pulses, stews, and poultry, ensuring food retains its moisture and aroma without steam loss. It's also excellent for quickly cooking rice, vegetables, fish, and even steaming foods without making a mess. Safety is a priority with Kuhn Rikon. The triple decompression mechanism guarantees safety, and the ergonomic handles provide comfort. The simplicity of use is a standout feature. There are no complicated buttons or LEDs, just a pressure valve that indicates when the pot is at the ideal cooking temperature. Kuhn Rikon pressure cookers incorporate multiple safety systems. If the pot reaches high pressure, the valve releases steam until regulated. A secondary silicone device supports the valve, activating if the primary valve is blocked or the temperature is too high. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Next up on our review list is the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker, the leading smart pressure cooker of 2024. Integrating an internet connection with your pressure cooker opens up endless possibilities for automation, global recipes, and seamless control through an app. The Chef IQ Smart Cooker stands out with its impressive features and functionality. With over 300 cooking presets, Chef IQ ensures variety in your meals, accessible through an interactive touchscreen. This command center allows you to measure ingredients using the built-in scale and program the cooker to release pressure at the end of a cooking cycle. Additionally, the Chef IQ app extends these controls to your smartphone or tablet, letting you monitor and adjust settings remotely. Despite its 6-liter capacity, which might be small for some, the Chef IQ Smart Cooker compensates with a wealth of features. It offers various cooking methods, including pressure cooking, steaming, slow cooking, frying, sautéing, and sous vide. The built-in scale helps keep recipes precise. With over 600 guided recipes and instructional videos, this model is a home cook's dream. The accessories included are thoughtfully designed, and the basket features a self-standing handle that stays secure and its handle folds neatly. The stand has 2 handles for easy insertion and removal, and its legs are tall enough to keep food elevated from any liquid at the pot's bottom. Packed with features, this pressure cooker smart interface makes accessing functions simple via the front panel or apps. The main screen offers options like pressure cook, brown fry, steam, slow cook, and more. Thumbs up! Just a quick note. If you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. If you're willing to invest a bit more for a premium product, the Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker is our top pick for 2024. Known for its elegant design and solid performance, this cooker meets the high expectations we have for Breville products. It offers better control over pressure settings compared to other models thanks to dual sensors on the top and bottom that manage both pressure and temperature. An auto-warm function kicks in once cooking is complete. The bright LCD screen and easy-to-read dials make it simple to choose from 11 pressure settings ranging from low to high. You could also customize these settings. The display changes colors to indicate whether it's in press, cook, or steam mode. The lid is hinged, removable, and dishwasher safe with a silicone seal that's easy to detach and replace. It includes a ceramic-lined inner pot, a stainless steel steamer basket and rack, and a bound recipe book. Operating the Fast Slow Pro is straightforward with 3 separate buttons, one for selecting preset cooking functions, another for setting temperature, and a third for setting time. After pressing the start button, you're all set. The large LCD screen clearly displays your selections. The hinged lid eliminates the hassle of finding a place to put it while pouring and mixing. One standout feature is the pressure release button on the front of the machine, located about 10 inches from the pressure valve. This allows you to release build-up steam safely and easily without having to turn the valve by hand near the steam tower, an improvement over other models. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. And introducing our top pick for the best overall pressure cooker in 2024, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. With its 10 preset functions and app control, this model stands out as a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance. It excels as an electric pressure cooker, featuring a user-friendly interface, sturdy build, and convenient pressure release options that ensure excellent results every time. Users have reported creamy and perfectly cooked risotto in just 5 minutes. Unlike many other models, the Instant Pot Pro's digital panel provides helpful status messages, making it clear what stage of cooking the pot is in, from preheating to cooking to keeping food warm. You could choose from 10 program modes, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice, steaming and stewing, or customizing settings with options for low, high, or maximum pressure, as well as temperature adjustments. The dial allows for quick setting of time and temperature, and the delayed start feature acts like a kitchen timer, letting you schedule cooking times. The touchscreen is easier to clean compared to traditional push-button panels. Additionally, the Pro Plus model can be controlled via an app, offering access to over 1,000 recipes, a handy feature. One of the standout features is the oven-like pressure release control, offering quick, pulse, or natural release options. Made from triple-layer stainless steel with silicone handles, the Pro Plus is easy to move around the kitchen. Its anti-rotation function keeps the pot stable during cooking. Compact in size at 13.2 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 12.7 inches tall, it won't take up much space on your counter or in your cabinet. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it.